Welcome. Today, we're excited to introduce TPI's cutting-edge, revolutionary product, the UltraVision Acoustic Imager. Are you curious about the capabilities and importance of an acoustic imager? Simply put, it's a smart analysis tool that efficiently aids in identifying and pinpointing the location of machinery issues, such as failing rolling element bearings, faulty gearboxes, ball screws, electrical corona discharge, compressed gas leaks, air seal leaks around aircraft and automotive doors, and HVAC system leaks. The UltraVision ensures you can spot these problems quickly and accurately, thus enhancing your efficiency and minimizing downtime. Operating the TPI UltraVision is straightforward. Begin by locating the power button in the screen's top left corner. With a gentle press and hold, watch as the red indicator light illuminates. Release the button, and the system boots up, typically taking about 30 seconds. During this process, the 128 microphone array and camera seamlessly activate. After booting up, you will smoothly transition into the main UltraVision interface. The operation of the device is effortless and easy to understand. There are only two physical buttons, the power button on the left and the function button on the right. The left side of the screen displays the video image for detection. Clicking anywhere on the screen brings up the function menu. The rainbow-colored area in the image indicates the location of faults, which we call acoustic images. During inspections, the testing personnel mainly need to look for stable acoustic targets. The frequency range and frequency selection box are on the right side of the screen. Clicking the rainbow bar brings up the dynamic range adjustment window. The working mode icon, system time, and battery level are displayed above the frequency range. Before starting an inspection, you can set the basic parameters according to the flowchart. Then proceed to the site and inspect the equipment of interest to identify any faults. This concludes our coverage of the basic functionality of the UltraVision. For a more detailed guide on using TPI's UltraVision, please visit the training link provided. The team at TPI thanks you for your time and consideration. We look forward to working with you in the future.